Hello, today we will guide you through how to set price alerts on Coinmarketcap app. To get started, open the Coinmarketcap app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll be on the main screen where you can browse different cryptocurrencies, market data, and trends. This is the starting point for setting up an alert, so take a moment to make sure you're signed in and ready to navigate. Next, select the coin you want to track. In this example, we'll be using Bitcoin. Tapping on your preferred coin opens its dedicated page where you can view price activity, charts, market statistics, and other details. If you plan to monitor a different cryptocurrency, the same process applies, so you can follow these exact instructions with any supported coin. After opening the coin page, scroll down until you find the Set AI Alert option. Depending on your screen size or app version, you may need to scroll a bit further to locate it. This section is designed to help you create alerts based on market movement, making it easier to stay informed without checking the app constantly. Once you've found that area, tap Create Custom Alert. This takes you into the alert setup flow, where you can choose how you want the notification to work. Custom alerts are useful because they let you tailor notifications to your own strategy instead of relying only on preset suggestions. On the next screen, tap Manual Setup. This option gives you more direct control over the alert conditions. It's a good choice if you already know the type of price movement or trigger you want to monitor. From here, follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the setup. The app may ask you to choose the alert condition, enter a target price, or confirm how and when you'd like to be notified. Since these options can vary, it's best to carefully review each field before moving forward. If needed, double-check your entries so the alert matches exactly what you want to track. When everything looks correct, tap Create to finish setting up the alert. After that, your custom alert should be active, and the app will notify you based on the settings you selected. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review your alert after creating it, just to confirm the trigger details are accurate. That way you can avoid unnecessary notifications and make sure you only get updates that matter to you. And that's how to set price alerts on the Coinmarketcap app.